Aircraft on ground, or as the aviation world usually puts it, the AOG situation. It's the moment no operator wants to face. An engine issue brings the aircraft to a halt, and every minute that plane stays grounded translates into escalating costs. In these situations, there's no room for hesitation. Every hour of downtime means lost revenue, missed flights, disrupted schedules, and crew displacement. But there's one factor that quietly causes major delays, and it's not always the engine. Often, it's the engine stand. You can't remove or ship an aircraft engine without the correct certified stand. And when it's not available at the right place and time, everything stops. What should be a controlled engine removal turns into a bottleneck. You can't transport the engine to the repair shop. You can't make room in the hangar. And the grounded aircraft just stays grounded. Now, here's where things get tricky. Let's say your AOG happens in Central Europe. The local MRO is ready, and they've got a stand. On site, no transport needed, no customs delays. It's fast, sometimes cheaper, and in some cases even free of charge. Perfect, right? But sometimes there's a catch. That stand might already be in use, or it's reserved for one of their base maintenance contracts, or it's compatible with a different engine variant. Suddenly, that available stand isn't available at all. And now you are waiting, sometimes days, sometimes longer. There are a lot of recent examples reflecting that. A customer in Europe recently faced an unexpected AOG. They had options: local MROs, partner shops, but every stand was tied up. The engine in question was a Jenks 1B, not a common type in that region. It took much more than expected to find and mobilise the proper stand. This is where enginestands.com comes in. Our leasing model is designed for exactly these moments. We maintain a network of certified engine stands across Europe, the Middle East, Asia, and more. Engine stands that are not just stored. These stands are positioned strategically for fast access and regional dispatch. Whether you're facing an AOG in Germany, the UAE, or Southeast Asia, we can deploy the correct stand quickly for the exact engine type you need. Our model is simple: certified engine stands in strategic global locations, ready for dispatch when you need them. Whether it's a CFM 565B, a PW 1100G, a LEAP 1A, or a GenX 1B, we cover the engine types that keep the majority of commercial fleets in the air. Here's how it works. You call. We confirm availability. Our team organises the logistics and handles the documentation. The stand is on its way, often within hours. No need to buy and store rarely used equipment. Just fast access to what you need, where you need it. And because we work with major freight partners, you get your stand when you need it, and your engine is shipped as fast as it should be. In aviation, operational resilience isn't just about having the right tools, it's about having them at the right time. With enginestands.com, operators and MROs can act faster, reduce AOG duration, and avoid unnecessary stress and cost. An AOG doesn't have to turn into a nightmare, not when the solution is as straightforward as having the right engine stand, ready and waiting. That's what enginestands.com is here for. Wherever your engine needs to go, we'll help get it there, safely, securely, and without delay. enginestands.com, ready when you are.